Well, I didn't mean for that to
Valentine's Day
Wait,
it
look at my
out.
ring, look at my ring.
Wait, show it again. Yeah. I literally look like fucking Halloween, but my belt matches. Look, okay, this morning I was spitting my like toothpaste in the sink, but for some reason when I spit it, it like squirted onto my arm, and now I have like a fucking stain. And I just washed these literally last night, and I got smear on them.
I don't remember.
Hi, Erica.
How my bag back.
Erica, I got smear on my fucking jeans.
Oh my god!
I'm so pissed. Okay, honestly, fuck it, I love the rain. This bitch is probably gonna fly away. My AirPod's gonna fly out! Oh my god! I don't even feel like I'm in California. What the fuck is this? Look at I can't. Look at my damn
Oh, you're vlogging? Oh. What's up, vlog? There's no hoodie on this?
literally wet.
No, I got it stuck. I haven't even gone outside. Don't look away.
Oh.
You're hurting me.
Allah.
My toe. I'm sorry. My big toe.
John, you wet.
Sophia's fit.
Are you even recording?
Look how it, okay, you can't see all the raindrops, but it's raining a lot, and I'm literally gonna run.
Don't play. Oh shit, I'm gonna slip.
Oh my gosh, part 2. Oh my god, it's so wet. Oh, I almost turned into a bird. Oh my god.
I came out of the shower.
Kinda did. There's more. I want to boil.
Okay, all the way down? Okay, dude, I can't breathe in there. Just hurry up.
She looks like an edamame. Turn to the side.
Why was that actually comfortable? Are you going? Okay, ready? Wrong bin, but I still made it in. They're right.
Oh my god, JV basketball varsity soccer, JV basketball varsity rap. That's what I meant
Rap?
to say.
You said rap.
Yeah, because you just rhymed. Oh my god. Novice school.
Okay, just end it right there. Ruining.
That was rude. He's ready to go off. I'm so excited.
Stand-up comedy routine, but instead I will be doing a monologue, a dramatic recreation of a scene from Lost, season 1, episode 7, where the character John Locke draws a metaphor between perseverance and a moth emerging from its cocoon. I'm kidding. Now, I was going to break into a Shakespearean type monologue where I go, "Doth thy summer night remind me of thy fair maiden, who do reign most beautiful in the waking hours of some not too distant morning." That's not what I'm doing. That's for tips.